Hello, I am Spinach. I help build strong muscles and keep your body powerful.
Hello, I am Strawberry. I help repair cells and keep your body feeling young.
Hello, I am Banana, powering your muscles with potassium.
These AI talking videos are taking over the internet right now. Fruits, vegetables, objects, even body parts, talking like humans, and getting millions of views. These videos are called anthropomorphic AI videos. They're going viral because they're simple, educational, and insanely rewatchable. Right now, platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram are pushing this type of content hard, and audiences are loving it. Some channels in this niche have posted fewer than 30 videos and are already pulling millions of views per short. In this video, I'll show you how to create them step by step without showing your face. Before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe to support the channel.
Step 1. Create your prompt with ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and paste in this simple prompt. This prompt has been carefully structured for consistency, so you can reuse it again and again. Once you paste it into the prompt bar, click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a well-detailed result, including a text-to-image prompt, a text-to-video prompt, and a short dialogue for your character. Take a moment to review the output. If you're happy with it, go ahead and copy the image prompt. Don't worry, I'll pin the full prompt in the comment section so you can easily copy it later. Step 2. Generate your image with Google Gemini. Next, head over to Google Gemini to generate your image. If you don't already have Gemini, open your browser, type Google Gemini, click on the first result. Once the interface opens, click on the image icon. Now, paste your image prompt into the prompt bar, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. And there we go. Our image is ready. It looks great. Click the download icon, and the image will be saved to your device. And yes, this platform is completely free. Step 3. Turn the image into a talking video using Grok AI. Now let's animate the image. Go over to Grok AI, click on Imagine, and then click the upload icon to upload your image. Make sure your image is set to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. Next, copy the dialogue from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok's prompt bar. Click Generate within seconds. Grok will create a high-quality cinematic video with accurate lip sync. Let's play it and see the result.
Hello, I am Broccoli. I help boost your immune system and keep your body strong. Hello, I am Broccoli. I help boost your immune system and keep your body strong.
If you're not satisfied, feel free to regenerate the video or adjust your prompt slightly. But for this example, I'm happy with the result, so I'll go ahead and download the video. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, stay with me, because in the next step, I'll compare this result with another powerful AI tool so you can decide which one works best for you.
Step 4. Create a second version using VEO3 comparison. Now let's generate the same scene using VEO3 so we can compare the results. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the text-to-video prompt. Open your browser and type labs.google/fx. Once it opens, click on Flow. Make sure it's set to text-to-video. Set the format to portrait. Paste your prompt and click Generate. Now VEO3 is not completely free, but it does give you 100 free credits every month, which is enough to test multiple videos. Once the video is ready, let's play it.
Hello, I am Broccoli. I help boost your immune system and keep your body strong. Hello, I am Broccoli. I help boost your immune system and keep your body strong.
The result is beautiful, very smooth, detailed, and polished. Now, here's my honest advice as your coach. If you're on a low budget, Grok AI is a great option and still delivers impressive results. If you want higher refinement and more control, VEO3 is the better choice. For this tutorial, I'll continue using VEO3 so you can see its full potential. However, the choice is completely yours. Both tools work, and you can decide based on your budget and content goals. Go ahead and download the video, then repeat the process by pasting the next prompt and clicking Generate again. And here's the next result.
Hello! I am Carrot. I help protect your eyes and keep your vision sharp. Hello! I am Carrot. I help protect your eyes and keep your vision sharp. Your vision sharp.
Smooth, clean, and professional. By the way, if you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you more creative AI tutorials like this one. Step 5. Expand into endless content ideas. Now, here's where this gets really powerful. Once you have one solid prompt, you can reuse it to create fruits, vegetables, animals, body organs, household objects, colors, numbers. This means endless content ideas from one format. Go back to ChatGPT and continue in the same chat. Simply ask, give me the same style of anthropomorphic educational text-to-video prompts for animals. ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple prompts. Copy one prompt, paste it into VEO3, and click Generate. Let's check out the result.
Hello, I am Goat. My lean protein helps build strong muscles and keeps you energized. Hello, I am Goat. My lean protein helps build strong muscles and keeps you energized.
Looks great. Now copy the next prompt, paste it in, generate again, and here's the next video.
Hello, I am Cow. I provide calcium that helps keep your bones strong and healthy. Hello, I am Cow. I provide calcium that helps keep your bones strong and healthy.
Stunning. You can do the same thing for body organs. Just ask ChatGPT. Give me prompts for body parts in the same anthropomorphic style. Copy one prompt, paste it into VEO3, generate, and here's the result.
Hello, I am your heart. I pump blood to deliver oxygen and keep you alive. Hello, I am your heart. I pump blood to deliver oxygen and keep you alive.
It looks amazing. You can also repeat this process for other objects, using the exact same structure. This is honestly one of the easiest niches I've ever seen. With just one good prompt, you can create both short videos and long-form content. Final step, simple editing. Finally, open your editing software. I'll be using CapCut. Import all your video clips and place the best clip at the beginning. This is very important for retention. Trim out any empty spaces. You can add transitions if you want, but this is optional. And that's it. Here's the final result.
Hello, I am Strawberry. I help repair cells and keep your body feeling young.
Hello, I am Orange. I'm full of vitamin C to help your immune system fight strong. Hello, I am Banana, powering your muscles with potassium.
Hello, I am Egg. I'm full of nutrients that help your cells grow and stay healthy. Hello, I am Avocado. I provide healthy fats that support your heart and brain. Hello, I am Carrot. I help protect your eyes and keep your vision sharp.
Hello, I am Broccoli. I help boost your immune system and keep your body strong.
Hi, I'm Tomato. Rich in antioxidants, I help protect you.
Hi, I'm number 10. I come after 9, and I help you count big and strong.
Hi, we are Colors. We make the world bright, beautiful, and full of life.
Hello, I'm a house. Just like you need sleep and safety, I give people rest and protection.
Hello, we are your eyes. We help you see the world in bright detail.
Hello, I am Soap. I wash away germs and help keep you healthy and safe.
Hello, I am Water. I hydrate your cells and keep your whole body working smoothly.
We're the red veggies. We protect your heart and fight damage inside your body.
Hi, we're leafy greens. We give you iron, vitamins, and strength to power your body.
Hello, I am your brain. I control your thoughts, memory, and every move you make.
Hello, I am Apple. I help keep your heart healthy and happy every day. Hello, I am Shrimp. I provide iodine that helps support your thyroid and metabolism.